Okay, I'm going to explain this to you guys. Now, there is a negative effect of something. Let's say there's grease in your kitchen. Grease. So to remove the grease, what will you do? You will use a degreaser. Now, if you go and put like malai on it, will it go? It won't go, right? So what will you take? You'll take nimbu. Okay, you'll take some dishwashing liquid or whatever, and you'll you know, something acidic, super acidic, and you will cut through that grease. Similarly, a planetary effect has a certain quality of energy, like a guj something. Now, when you need to remove it, there are certain herbs, oils, and certain things that combine which remove that effect. So there is a Rahu, बहुत गंदा energy है वो. Rahu energy in your aura. There could be a Ketu energy in your aura. There could be the Mercury retrograde energy in your aura. There could be a Saturn energy in your aura. There could be a Moon energy that's stuck in your aura. There could be Mars. So there could be all this bad energy in your aura. So there are different herbs and oils and different formulas, actually, not just herbs and oils, but formulas which remove that energy. So for the Mercury retrograde, there is a Mercury retrograde soap. Okay guys, soap. If you're a number 4, if you have a Rahu Dasha going on, or you have any kind of Antar Dasha, Mahadasha of Rahu going on, then you can use the Rahu soap. If you're a number 7 in your birth number, life path number, or you're going through a Ketu Mahadasha or an Antar Dasha, whatever small, big Dasha, you have Ketu energy on you then also you use the Ketu soap. So whichever phase you're going through, or whichever planet you're affected by. So if you're affected by, let's say, Saturn, Shani, okay? So let's say you have a number 8 in your birth number, number 8 in your life path number, which is your date, month, year. Or you're going through Saturn Mahadasha, or you're going through Sade Sati, or you're going through some Saturn Antar Dasha. Basically, Saturn na sar pe baitha hai sab lene ke liye. So then you'll use Saturn soap. So whatever planet is Dasha you're going through, and which planets do you do the soap and the whatever for? You'd use it for Rahu, for Ketu, for Saturn, for Moon, for Mars, and you will use it for Mercury retrograde. Okay? Even during Saturn retrograde, you can use the Saturn soap. So please remember this, guys. Very, very important. When you use that particular plan, you don't need to use that every day. Like, see, if you're a number 4 person, use the BMR soap every day. Use that Rahu soap once a week, because you just want to wash off the energies of Rahu from time to time. But there's another thing I want to tell everyone. All right, there's a specific remedy that I always suggest in every numerology report, without fail. I end up telling people, but a lot of people don't do it because it's very highly priced. There is a remedy which is called Stone and Yantra. Okay, I've got it converted to a ring. A lot of times people are going through a bad planetary phase, and that's why they are kind of, constipated and stuck. So the Stone and Yantra remedy works magic, guys. For the longest time, we did not do that remedy. For the longest time, it's just about a few months that we've started doing the Stone and Yantra remedy. However, we also know a lot of vendors who do it. So you can feel free to go to visit the vendors, or call them up and get it done from them. All right. So Stone and Yantra remedy, I vouch for. All the people who have ever got it done from us would have got it done from one of our vendors, but they are amazing. It is not the way that we energize our stones and everything. There's a very different technique that they have. But I always tell people, whatever you've done, the Stone and Yantra remedy that you've done, come and show it to me. Let me check the energy of it and then wear it. Because with planetary thing, you can't just like buy it on some online store. It's made according to your date of birth, time of birth, so be very careful.